pulls back and gets a little rejection right here at the EMAs. Good little entry point. I don't know why my live isn't working on my YouTube here. Looks like it wants to break out. Oosh. It should. There it is. There we go. There's the break of the 15. It needs to hold its top and then come back down, right? Retest. That's what it needs to do. Nvidia is skyrocketing. Nvidia is straight up right now. ES is going straight up also. Going with 2 contracts because this is a pretty good setup if it gives it to me. So we're gonna wait. I took a trade in the morning, wasn't in profit for like 100. I don't know why I didn't take it, and it came back, stopped me out. We're $73 loss. We just retarded. It's pushing, it's pushing. That 2 minute looked good. Or long, actually. Boom. Yeah, they did break. It did break. I should have entered for a long. The 2 minute looked good. Everything is ripping up. I should have entered here in the bottom. Let's wait for a little retracement. It looks like it wants to retrace, but man, it doesn't have to. Right? So it's going for the 40s. There you go. I think he just took out the overnight highs. Overnight highs was right here. On 40s it did. So we're waiting for a retest to even enter on this because this is crazy. Look at that 5 minute. The 5 minute candle looks crazy. It's still going. It's crazy. That's wild, dude. I entered for a long, came down, took everybody out, and went back up, dude. Fuck, and I hate the Nasdaq, dude. That pissed me off, bro. Come on, dude. Wait for a little retest. Hey, they still going. That fucker sucks, man. Is this the pullback? At least get to the EMAs here. That's what I want. To at least get to the EMAs. Come on. Healthy little pullback here. Let's wait for his candle closer. I'm gonna enter for a long here. See, can we push through to the 400s? You can.
Order canceled.
I take that. Well, that was crazy. What the heck was that? I think it was the news. Oof. I forgot about the news. That news got like 14 points, but you know, I didn't know what that was, so I took it out. Completely forgot about the news. We got 9:30 news, and that should be it for the day of the news. Let's see here. We got another opportunity or not? Getting slammed at the top here, hitting a little bit of resistance, which is expected, so I'm gonna wait here Maybe it wants to pull back more, but it might just push from here. Either it goes for new highs here or it makes some another low. Either a higher low gets rejected, maybe. We might be going back up, but let's see. Maybe it sweeps these candles, comes back up, but it looks like it wants to hold. It's holding here, so. No. The 5 minute. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. It thought it wanted to go down a little more from this reaction, right? It looks like it wants to visit the EMAs on the 5. So might wait for that. At the 9 EMA, getting a little rejection. Might have to wait for the 21 or the middle of these EMAs. It'd be a better entry. Right now, it'll be an early entry, which I don't know. That's a good entry. If it's too early of an entry, might get stopped out. Looking at the 5 here. Keeps getting rejected, right? It looks like it wants to go back down, retest maybe these top of this 15-minute range or these EMAs. So let's see here. Getting a little reaction there. Nice little reaction. Oh my God. There we go. We're going back. I might I'm gonna go extra contract here because this setup looks really good. So look at this 5 minute. It's dipping, it's dipping. Maybe it goes a little more. We're getting a wick back up. We'll wait. ES is struggling a little bit, so we'll hold off for now. Nvidia kind of still struggling. Not too big of a. The 5 minute has a pretty good wick. 5 minute has a pretty good wick. That wick on the 5 is kind of like making me want to enter because of that wick. But no, we have to wait. We'll wait for the 5 wick for extra confirmation because I'm going in with 2 contracts here. So 3 minutes here for this 5 minute to close. Getting that wick. Getting that good wick. There's the. ES is also pumping. Nah, I don't know. Hitting resistance again at the same spot. Oh. They're really pumping this here. Let's see if we can get another, maybe a little bit of a retracement, a little bit, like a little one. If this holds at the highs here. Yeah, that 5 minute looks good. This 5 minute, right? That's good price action for my setup. So we're still pushing 3 seconds here. Let's see if we get a little pullback, which is what I'm looking for. A little bit pullback. A little bit of a pullback, maybe.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter for maybe a long going back up. That 5 minute chart gave me some confidence. ES is also kind of pumping, so let's see if it, let's see to take out his high here, go up higher. That's trading, guys. You put the trade on and you don't look back here. Put the trade on and you let it work. It's trying to go, man. It's trying to go. I might add into this here. Dang, it's not looking good. We're getting a little bit of resistance. Pushing back up. Get that push here. Come on. And a little pullback. Not looking good. I might add here on another pop down. Pushing. Nice. If it gets stuck here, I will take this off. It's getting stuck here. Oh my god. Push it up one more time. Having a little trouble here. Such a crazy. Come on, dude. Just a little bit. Get it up there. Get it up there. That 5 minute, 2 minute. 2 minute for the 5 minute to close. 5 minute chart to close. Still pushing. It's still pushing. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out for that $20 loss, kind of. Just waiting here. Just waiting here. If it breaks this high, maybe I'll get in. If it breaks that high here. Broke the high. Nice, nice. Broke the high. Instant little pullback. Looking at the 5, it looks like it wants to make a lower, go lower right here to the 90 EMA. Let's see, let's see, let's see. It looks like it wants to go to 90 EMA on the 5. Maybe sweep these lows. Strong pullback on the bears here. Let's see. Give it a couple more seconds. The 5 is getting a little wick. The 5 is getting wicked up, getting a little reaction on the 5 minute. I'm just waiting. I needed a sweep down here, bro. Like, look at that. the hardest thing. Little wick on the 5. It looks good though. Looks good. There we go. The wick on the 5 is, they're kind of dojing it. A little doji on the 5 now. Indecision. Oh. Let's see. 2 more minutes. Yeah, it's kind of going for, kind of bouncing at the EMAs, but it's still trying to go, looking like it wants to go a little lower. Nvidia just ranging now, consolidating at that 78, 178, 64s. Okay. Wait a little bit. Kind of a range, you see. They're holding this EMA here. That's a good sign. 5 minutes about to close here. At least it's holding there. It's not letting it. They're not letting it fall below these EMAs. So it's a good sign. Great sign. 5 minute, waiting for it to maybe push down a little bit and then make another wick. Just like how it did, but it didn't. It didn't go. Look at it. It's wicking again. It's wicking again. Bull flagging kind of here. ES pushing down to the EMAs now. There it is. There's that little, yep. Look at it. That 5 getting a wick now. Getting a little bit of reaction down here, which is what I want to see. I need it to go down a little lower, maybe sweep these lows, sweep these candles here. There it is. There's the sweep. That 5 putting in a wick. I'm gonna wait for this 9 seconds to close here on this bar.
Order filled.
Starting one here. And I'm gonna just risk top of this. Let's see. I'm just playing into that momentum right on the 5. Look at that wick that's being put in. Playing onto that momentum. Risking not too much here. That's really why I entered. Nice little setup, come on. There it is. Nice. Come on. Just need a little bit of a push. Might come down and stop us out here. If it does, I will enter again if it gives me another setup. They love doing this shit. Or I might add if it doesn't take me out. If this doesn't take me out, which I don't see how it doesn't, because it's getting stuck under the EMA, you know, it looked like, yep, they stopped me out. Damn. It's dumping now. At the bottom with the 5 EMA, 21 EMA. Maybe this is a short. No. A little bounce from the NASDAQ here.
Order filled.
Take that. It doesn't want to go. If this closes above the EMAs on 2, maybe it's better. But price action, dude.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter one more time. See, we get a pop up here.
Sometimes the stars give me a hint, something in my heart, like a dream that's finally coming true. Wanted to say goodbye, but I know that isn't true. You're my girl, and I'll always be.
But we're getting stuck down here. Pump it, pump it, pump it.
It's another day, hold me in your heart. Look into my eyes, it's like looking in the dark. Every day I think of you when we are apart. Wish I was sitting there with you, feels like a nightmare coming fucking true. All I know is tomorrow.
If we are just stuck, I do not want to be in here.
Even when you're crumbling apart. Take me back to the part where I'm jumbling the truth. Take back to the time when we were kissing in the room. Back to the time I was laying by your side. The time you started fires inside my heart. You said I'm leaving you for someone new. Someone who treat me more beautiful too. I still look at the stars, hoping you do too. When you're with him, I'm wondering what you do. Do you kiss him? Do you love him too? If you ever want to talk, you know what I'm gonna do. Fuck you, I miss you, and I miss you.
Oh gosh.
Order filled.
I'm gonna leave. Exiting. Now it looks like a bear flag. Walk away for a little bit.